हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस एग्ज़ाम में आए हुए हैं, इनको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके आने वाले एग्ज़ाम्स जस्ट लाइक पीसीएस, एसएससी या आपका आरआरबी एनटीपीसी का एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, या आपका एनटीए नेट या आपका सीएसआईआर एनटीए नेट का जो एग्ज़ाम होना है, तो उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। ये क्वेश्चन आपके सी टेट, DCIO, असिस्टेंट साइंटिस्ट और काफ़ी रेपुटेटेड एग्ज़ाम्स होने वाले हैं, उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका है 28 में, द टर्म्स वन क्राई पेट्या एंड इटर्नल ब्लू समटाइम्स मेंशन्ड इन द न्यूज़ रिसेंटली आर रिलेटेड टू। तो पहला आपका ऑप्शन दे रखा है एक्सो प्लैनेट्स, ऑप्शन बी है क्रिप्टो करेंसी, ऑप्शन सी है साइबर अटैक्स और ऑप्शन डी है मिनी सैटेलाइट्स। तो आपका जो ये टर्म दे रखे हैं, ये आपके टर्म्स साइबर अटैक से रिलेटेड हैं। ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी आपका करेक्ट है। इसके बाद आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विद रेफरेंस टू द सर्कमस्टांसेस इन इंडिया एग्रीकल्चर, with reference to the circumstances in Indian agriculture, the concept of conservation agriculture assumes significance. Which of the following fall under the conservation agriculture? तो पहला आपका स्टेटमेंट दे रखा है अवॉइडिंग द मोनोकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस, दूसरा आपका दे रखा है अडॉप्टिंग मिनिमम टिलेज, तीसरा दे रखा है अवॉइडिंग द कल्टीवेशन ऑफ प्लांटेशन क्रॉप्स, फोर्थ आपका दे रखा है यूजिंग क्रॉप रेजिड्यूज टू कवर सॉयल सरफेस, नेक्स्ट है अडॉप्टिंग स्पेशल एंड टेम्पोरल क्रॉप सीक्वेंसिंग क्रॉप रोटेशंस। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो। तो आपका पहला ऑप्शन दे रखा है 1 2 1 3 4, बी ऑप्शन है 2 3 4 5, नेक्स्ट आपका है 2 4 5, सी ऑप्शन, और डी ऑप्शन है 1 2 3 5। तो आपका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, मीन्स 1 2 3 5 जो करेक्ट आंसर है। ठीक है, फोर्थ आपका इनकरेक्ट है, मीन्स यूजिंग क्रॉप रेजिड्यूज टू कवर सोयल सरफेस, ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है। ठीक है, तो आई होप ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। वीडियो को आप अच्छे से वॉच कीजिए, जब आपको समझ में आ जाए तो इसको नोट डाउन कर लेना वीडियो को पॉज करके, और इसको बार बार आप रिवाइज करते रहना। फिर देखना आप जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की आप तैयारी कर रहे हो उसमें ये क्वेश्चन जरूर डेफिनेटली पूछे जाने हैं इसी प्रकार से, और आप उनको अच्छे से कर ले जाओगे। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट आपका क्वेश्चन है, द टर्म सिक्स्थ एक्सटिंक्शन इज ऑफन मेंशन्ड इन द न्यूज़ इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ डिस्कशन ऑफ। तो पहला आपका ऑप्शन दे रखा है, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है वाइड स्प्रेड मोनोकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस इन एग्रीकल्चर एंड लार्ज स्केल कमर्शियल फार्मिंग with indiscriminate use of chemical in many parts of the world that may result in the loss of good native ecosystems. ओके, तो ये आपका स्टेटमेंट 1 है। स्टेटमेंट 2 है fears of possible collision of a meteorite with the earth in the near future in the manner of it happened 65 million years ago that caused to mass extinction of the many species including those of dinosaurs. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपका ऑप्शन दे रखा है थर्ड, लार्ज स्केल कल्टीवेशन ऑफ जेनेटिकली modified crops in many parts of the world and promoting their cultivation in other parts of the world which may cause the disappearance of good native crop plants and the loss of food biodiversity. ओके, लास्ट आपका ऑप्शन दे रखा है डी, मैनकाइंड्स ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेशन, मिसयूज ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, fragmentation, loss of natural habitats, destruction of ecosystems, pollution and global climate change. So guys, your correct answer is option D. Okay, related to sixth mass extinction or sixth extinction. Okay, this is the correlation between mankind's over exploitation or misuse of natural resources. Okay, so your next question is, consider the following events. The first statement is, the first democratically elected communist party government formed in a state in India Statement 2, India's then largest bank, Imperial Bank of India, was renamed State Bank of India. Okay. Next statement is Air India was nationalized and become the national carrier. Okay. Next, Goa become a part of independent India. Which of the following is the correct chronological sequence of the above? Okay. So the correct chronological order is 3214. Means Air India was nationalized and become the national carrier in first. Okay, so option B will be the correct. Okay. Next question related to Indian Constitution. Right to privacy is protected as an right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic part of right to life and personal liberty. Which of the following is the Constitution of India correctly and appropriately imply the same above statement? Okay, so option A is Article 14 and the provisions under the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. Option B, Article 17 and the directive principles of state policy in part 4th. Next option, Article 21 and the freedom guaranteed in part 3. Option D is Article 24 and the provisions under the 44th Amendment of the Constitution. So guys, your correct answer will be option C. Okay, Article 21 and the freedoms guaranteed in part 3rd. Okay. Next question is 33. Consider the following. First is Areca nut, second barley, third coffee, fourth finger millet, fifth groundnut, sixth sesame, and D turmeric. Okay. Now the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has announced the minimum support price for which of the above? Okay. So option 1 is containing 1, 2, 3 and 7 statement only. Option B is 2, 4, 5 and 6 statement only. Option C is 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. Option D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 only. Okay. So option 2, 4, 5 and 6 only. ठीक है. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question is which with reference to India's satellite launched vehicles, consider the following statements. Statement 1, PSLVs launch the satellite useful for earth resources monitoring, whereas GSLVs are designed mainly to launch communication satellite. Okay. Statement second is satellites launched by PSLV appear to remain permanently fixed in the same position in the sky as viewed from a particular location on Earth. Okay. Statement third, GSLV Mk third is a 4-stage staged launch vehicle with the first and third stages using solid rocket motors and the second and fourth stages using liquid rocket engines. Okay. So option which of the statements given above are correct? First option is 1 only, second option is 2 and 3 only, option C is 1 and 2 only, option D is 3 only. Hence option A will be the correct. Means statement number 1 is only correct. Option 2 and 3 are false. Okay. Next question. With reference to the governance of public sector banking in India, consider the following statements. Statement means 1. Capital infusion into public sector banks by the government of India has steadily increased in the last decade. Okay. Next statement. To put the public sector banks in order to merger of associate banks with the parent State Bank of India has been affected. Which of the following statement are true? Okay. So option 1 is 1 only, option B is 2 only, option C is both 1 and 2 only, option D neither 1 nor 2. So both 1 and 2 option will be the correct answer. Option C will be the correct. Okay. So guys, your next question is consider the following. First is bird, second is dust blowing, third is rain, fourth is wind blowing. Which of the above spread plant diseases? Option A is 1 and 3rd, option B 3 and 4, option C 1, 2 and 4, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So option D will be the correct. Okay. Next question is, with reference to organic farming in India, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is the National Program for Organic Production, NPOP, is operated under the guidelines and directions of the Union Ministry of Rural Development. Statement second is the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, APEDA, functions as the secretariat for the implementation of NOPCOP of NPOP. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है सिक्किम हैज़ बिकम इंडियाज फर्स्ट फुली ऑर्गेनिक सिस्टम. ठीक. सिक्किम हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट वेयर ऑर्गेनिक स्टेट. Okay. So which of the following statement given is are true? Statement 1 is option 1 is 1 and 2nd only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 only. So guys, the correct answer is option B, means second and third option are statement are correct. Means the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, APEDA, functions as the secretariat for the implementation of NPOP. Okay. And Sikkim has become India's first fully organic state. Okay. Next, your question is, consider the following statements. In the first Lok Sabha, the single largest party in the opposition was made Swatantra Party. In the Lok Sabha, a leader of opposition was recognized for the first time in 1969. In the Lok Sabha, if every party does not have a minimum number of 75 members, its leader cannot be recognized as the leader of opposition. Okay, which of the following statement is true? Option first and 3, option 2 only, option B 2 only, option C 2 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3 only. So option, according to answer key, your correct answer is option number 2. Okay. So guys, your next question is, which of the following leaf modifications occur in the desert areas to inhibit water loss? Okay, option statement 1 is hard and waxy leaves. Statement number 2, tiny leaves. Statement number 3, thorns instead of leaves. Select the correct answer using the code from below. Option A is 2 and 3 only, option B 2 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3 only. So your correct answer will be option B, yani 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 will be correct. Okay. So guys, your next question, as per the NSSO 17th round situation assessment survey of agricultural households, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is Rajasthan has the highest percentage share of agricultural household among its rural households. Okay, second statement is out of the total agricultural households in the country, reported to have received maximum income from the sources other than agricultural leaves. Which of the statement given is are true? So statement option 1 A is 2 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2, 3 only. So option D will be correct. Your statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Okay. Your question next is, how is the National Green Tribunal NGT different from the Central Pollution Policy Board, means CBCB? Okay, the NGT has been established by an act awareness The NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts, whereas CPCB promotes cleanliness of systems and walls and aim to improve the quality of air in the country. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both A and B, first and second, option D neither 1 nor 2. तो फ्रेंड्स ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप इनको अच्छे से वॉच करिए. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए और इसको आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करना, ताकि जो लोग किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट सॉल्व हो जाएं और वो जब भी कभी उनके एग्जाम में है तो उसको अच्छे से सॉल्व कर सके. ठीक है, थैंक यू.